Hey guys, today I'm gonna be doing a tutorial of Cryonis launching in The Legend of Zelda Breath of the Wild. This is not essentially useful for anything like transportation or game completion, but it's still a pretty fun glitch to use. What you're gonna need to do first is find a ledge where you can get bullet time off of. This is great. You can make it yourself with Cryonis. Then, next what you're gonna do is freeze a pillar of ice under the thing you want to launch. Except for, instead of doing this, while it is elevating, you are gonna do bullet time. And see how high that launched? That's not even close to how high it can actually launch. Depending on your timing, you can make it launch so high it actually despawns. Watch this. It almost despawned there. So, I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Make sure to use it wisely. Yeah, use it wisely. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you have a great day. Bye.